Hello and welcome to my channel. I'm Karlene and this week I'm sharing the quickest, easiest way to prepare a make-ahead breakfast for Christmas morning. Plus we're doing some homemaking as we prepare for Christmas on this rainy and windy day. Here on my channel you will find easy recipes, cozy homemaking and simple living on a budget. If you're interested in creating a memorable Christmas for your family on a budget, I will link a playlist I think you will like below. Today's recipe, I'm putting together a lemon and blueberry French toast breakfast casserole, but I just wanted to mention I have been playing with this concept before. So if you've seen some of my other videos, you may have seen last Christmas I did a strawberries and cream style of recipe, and I've also recently done in autumn a pumpkin pie French toast casserole as well. So these are all really simple ways that you can make ahead a breakfast with very little effort. Now, if this is your first time here, I have a family of 5. I have a 10-year-old, a 6-year-old, and a recently turned 2-year-old. So that means that the meals that I enjoy making are easy, quick and simple, budget friendly. And if I can cook once and eat twice, it is a wonderful day. I have a whole playlist of those style of recipes and methods. If you want to check that out, I'll link that below. So we're going to take some shortcuts today and we're going to make our lemon blueberry breakfast by using blueberry preserves. These are from Aldi. If you had homemade, of course it would be nicer. I don't have any at the moment. But this is a really quick and simple way to add lots of flavour and beautiful colour without spending too much on ingredients either. Does your family have a Christmas tradition of the type of breakfast that you have on Christmas morning? Comment below and let me know. A lovely lady from work gifted me a jar of homemade lemon curd, and that is another simple way that I'm adding a punch of flavour without a lot of effort and without making it sour lemon. So this is a sweet lemon curd, and that's going to add some beautiful flavour, a bit of moisture so it's not going to dry out, yet not be too tangy to have as a breakfast meal. It has been so humid lately. I am very grateful for this rain to cool things down so I can bake in my cozy kitchen as opposed to sweat my eyebrows off.